I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Now search and select Mailup. To get client ID and client secret, please go to your Mailup account. Go to Settings. Go to Advanced Settings. Click on Developers Corner. Click New API Key. Give a name of your application. Give a developer name. Put notes on application. Click Request Keys. Now copy client ID, go to Bit Integrations dashboard and paste it here. Copy client secret, go to Bit Integration dashboard and paste it here. Now click on Authorize. Log on to your Mailup account. Successfully authorized. Click on Next. Select your list. Select your groups. Now map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features. Click Next. Now click Finish and Save. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. Let's check our Mailup account. Click on Recipients. Click on Email. As you can see, mail successfully sent to Mailup. Thanks for watching.